finishing up the rear bed and tank area. Tanks are completely enclosed now. You see where Jim's feet are. This is where the batteries will go.
Yep.
Have access point to the water tanks. Be able to route any of the water. Where the end of Jim's backhand is will probably be around the foot of the bed. Closet area.
My back
Closet area. Yep, back there. So the bed is actually going to be level with this right now. So it'll just be coming off there. So it'll be a low bed.
Well, when you get the mattress on it, though, it won't be so low.
Right. And the one I was looking at, the 10-inch mattress on Amazon, there's one that had like 16,000 reviews. It was $233, and it was a 10-inch memory foam. So I was thinking about getting that, possibly. Depends on what the budget calls for. But yeah, this is the back deck area. What you think so far?
Well, I think it looks good. But you were mentioning the memory foam. I'm not sold on memory foam because it makes you hot.
Yeah.
Unless they have some kind of something in between them.
Like a gel layer.
Yeah. Or something that keeps you cool.
Mm-hmm.
I had a memory foam mattress one time and I hated it because, you kind of sink down on it and then it bakes you like it feels like it's, your own body heat is baking you all night. Of course, I'm kind of, I guess, hot-blooded anyway. Okay.
Getting
Chris,
there.
I think it looks real good.
I think it does too.
Real pleased with it. Jump around on there, see what you think. It ought to feel good and sturdy.
Oh yeah.
Now once that glue sets up, it'll be even sturdier. So it'll feel really. Even with 2x3s, there's not much give there.
Whole bus is shaking.
Yep.
Well, it'll be perfect for that fan vent right up there too.
Oh, it'll be right in the right place to suck air or blow air, either one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mr. Chris, next project. Now these right here, we'll just cut in these pieces here. All you gotta do is measure, and I think you'll have enough. Maybe not for that one. We might want to cut that one out of the finished material. I don't know. But this one here, I think you have plenty left out of the piece of drop you had to cut this one, okay? It might not be a bad idea to clean the glue off this. Just a little bit so that, that's got it. So that when you get ready to put it in there, your deal's not higher. So what are you going to do for finished floor up here? Are you putting your vinyl on this up here too?
Yep. We calculated
Okay.
that original purchase for that.
Okay. So here's the next step. I'll go ahead and I can start framing this, but what you're ready for is you're ready for doing your walls, getting your pickling on there. So in this order, pickling, well, sanding actually, which is a part of your pickling. Sanding, pickling, clear coat, floors,
Check.
then cabinets.
So first thing first, clean everything out, get the sander with 120 grit, go over every part of the walls, and then start pickling. Need to figure out if I have the rags needed and the right type of roller to do the pickling.
Right. We got plenty of rollers here for the pickling part.
Okay.
For the finished part,
You need the fine.
the foam roller, which is real smooth.
Okay.
material on houses, you always, they say 10% drop. Most people I know figure 20% because there's just always stuff that you end up. Okay, so we can see like two things I hadn't thought about. We could have trimmers inside of this.
So we got to
Yeah. It just keeps adding up, you know, as you go along.
everything
So,